welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're an OG, I love you. So it's been a minute. I showed up like this, and I just woke up today, and there's this meal that is, I've pictured this meal in my head, right? I don't know how it's called, but it's, should it be a secret till I get started? Anyway, since we're still in June and it's my favorite month in the year, probably my first favorite in the year, I will be sharing with you this meal in my head. So we're going to be doing it from scratch. We'll go to the market and buy whatever we need, and then we'll come back and continue. So if you're new, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's do this meal today. So guys, I'm not particularly sure if I want to do a voiceover for this video, because I believe everything I have used in editing is very important. So I am pretty much going to make it so detailed that you wouldn't need me talking throughout the video. Well, let's enjoy some nature as we proceed to the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, and I think me getting to 800 subscribers would be the best birthday gift you can give me. So I look forward to that. Thank you. Bye guys.